to learn more phrases as well as words, grammar and lots more about the Irish language, then consider subscribing and hitting that bell notification where you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And please let me know in the comment section some of your favourite phrases in Irish as well, so other people can hopefully read them and learn from them. Our first phrase, ball ó dhia ort. Ball ó dhia ort. This is a way of saying hello or good day. It literally translates into may God's prosperity be upon you, or it's just wishing you lots of prosperity basically. Ball ó dhia ort. Our next phrase then is a useful one if you're leaving somebody's company. It's the Irish for have a good day. Bíodh lá ma agat. Bíodh lá ma agat. So a very useful phrase that you can say. It means have a good day or have a nice day. Bíodh lá ma agat. I'd often start my videos with díoghuit, which means hello. But if it was morning, I could say Maidin va. That means good morning. Maidin va. Another handy and short and useful phrase. Maidin va. Good morning. Our next phrase then is seachtain. This means beware or watch out. And if you have a look at this sign here, seachtain anocht. Beware of the traffic, or watch out for the traffic. Seachtain anocht. Sláinte is probably a phrase you may know. It's a famous enough phrase. In Irish it means cheers or good health. Sláinte, cheers or good health. The next phrase is another useful one if you're leaving somebody's company, or if somebody else is leaving your company, I should say. It's slán abhaile. Slán abhaile. That means safe home. Slán abhaile. Our next phrase then is the Irish for that is fine or that is okay. Tá sé sin go bra. Tá sé sin go bra. That means that is fine. But you could also say it a slightly different way. Tá sé sin tau. Tá sé sin tau. Just an alternative way of saying that is fine. Our next phrase then is a compliment you could pay to somebody. Tá tú ag brathnú go háling. You are looking beautiful, or you are looking lovely. Tá tú ag brathnú